Some people spend years searching for the next big business idea, while the best opportunities are often hiding in plain sight. The businesses on this list may not look exciting, but many create steady income because they solve everyday problems that never go away. As we count down from 20 to 1, you'll discover forgotten businesses that are making a strong comeback in 2026. More importantly, you'll learn the simple business lessons behind each one, so you can spot profitable opportunities that most people completely ignore. 20. Mobile sharpening service. Let's start with a business that almost nobody talks about. Mobile sharpening services help restaurants, salons, workshops, and homeowners keep their tools in good condition. Most people ignore this business because it sounds old-fashioned, but the demand never really disappears. Every sharp tool saves time and improves safety. The real lesson is simple. Businesses that help other businesses work better often create steady, recurring income. 19. Parking lot striping. Now let's move to another overlooked opportunity. Every parking lot needs fresh lines to stay safe and meet local rules. Property owners cannot ignore this for long. That creates repeat customers instead of one-time sales. The interesting part is that this business does not rely on trends. It grows because maintenance is always necessary. The lesson here is that recurring services usually build stronger businesses than one-time projects. 18. Pallet recycling. Here's something many people drive past every day without noticing. Used wooden pallets have value because warehouses and factories need affordable replacements. Instead of throwing them away, businesses buy, repair, and resell them. Startup costs can stay low while demand remains steady. This business proves that solving a waste problem can also become a profitable business opportunity. 17. Commercial window cleaning. Think about every office building, hotel, and shopping center you see. Their windows need regular cleaning to keep a professional appearance. Most people see it as hard work, not a business. But many clients sign ongoing service contracts, creating predictable monthly income. The lesson is simple. Businesses that require regular maintenance often produce more stable revenue than one-time jobs. 16. Medical waste collection. Here's another business that stays out of the spotlight. Clinics, dental offices, and laboratories must dispose of medical waste safely. They cannot skip this service, and they usually need it on a regular schedule. That creates dependable demand year after year. The bigger lesson is that businesses connected to regulations often face less competition because not everyone is willing to enter the market. 15. Boat storage. Now let's move to a business that grows without selling a product. Many boat owners have limited space at home, so they pay for secure storage throughout the year. As boat ownership increases in many areas, so does the need for safe storage. The interesting part is that customers pay to protect something they already own. The lesson is that convenience and security are services people gladly pay for again and again. 14. Commercial kitchen cleaning. Every restaurant depends on a clean and safe kitchen. Health rules require regular deep cleaning, so restaurant owners cannot ignore this service. Many cleaning companies work on monthly or quarterly contracts, creating reliable income. The lesson is clear. When a business helps customers meet safety standards, demand stays strong in almost every economy. 13. Playground equipment maintenance. Here's a business that most people never notice. Schools, parks, and apartment communities must keep playgrounds safe for children. That means regular inspections, repairs, and maintenance. One small repair today can prevent a much bigger problem later. The lesson is that businesses focused on prevention often become more valuable than businesses that only fix problems after they happen. 12. Document shredding service. Even in a digital world, many companies still handle paper records with private information. Those documents must be destroyed safely to protect customer data. Businesses often schedule regular shredding services instead of doing the work themselves. That creates recurring revenue with long-term clients. The bigger lesson is that trust can be just as valuable as the service itself. 11. Greenhouse cleaning. As more food is grown inside greenhouses, another opportunity is quietly expanding. Greenhouses need regular cleaning to protect crops from dirt, mold, and disease. Farmers understand that a clean growing space leads to better harvests. That keeps demand steady throughout the year. The lesson is simple. Businesses that protect other businesses, profits often build lasting customer relationships. 10. Storm drain cleaning. Now we're entering businesses with even stronger long-term potential. Storm drains must stay clear to prevent flooding and costly property damage. Cities, property managers, and commercial buildings all need this service on a regular basis. The lesson is simple. Preventing expensive problems is often more profitable than fixing them later. 9. Solar panel cleaning. Solar panels work best when they are clean, Dust, leaves, and dirt can reduce their performance over time. As more homes and businesses install solar systems, the demand for cleaning continues to grow. The interesting part is that every new installation becomes a future customer. The lesson is to follow growing industries and look for the services they will always need. 8. Bee removal service. Most people panic when they see a bee colony. Property owners would rather pay an expert than take the risk themselves. Safe bee removal is becoming more valuable as people look for environmentally friendly solutions. The lesson is that specialized skills often face less competition and allow higher prices. 7. Commercial laundry service. Hotels, restaurants, gyms, and healthcare centers all use large amounts of towels, uniforms, and linens every day. Many choose to outsource the washing instead of handling it themselves. That creates steady contracts and predictable income. The lesson is that helping businesses save time can become a business on its own. 6. Water tank cleaning. Clean water is essential for homes, factories, farms, and commercial buildings. Water tanks need regular cleaning to maintain quality and meet health standards. Because this work cannot be ignored for long, customers return again and again. The bigger lesson is that essential services usually stay in demand, no matter how the economy changes.